Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at Lions Park in St. Albert, Alberta for the Rockin' August car show. It's a week-long event. I did a full coverage last year. I'll put a link in the description for that video. But it has been rainy all week this year, but today is beautiful. And you can see there's a bunch of cars. So we're going to check some of them out, maybe talk to a few people, and just have a good time.
Name's Grant Moore. It's a 79 Dodge D100. Motor's a 440 stroker. It's a 575. So dyno, a little over 1100 horsepower.
1100?
Yes.
On motor?
No, I use nitrous.
On nitrous, okay.
I don't have the nitrous on today.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Jeez, though, 1100.
Yeah. This new one's probably around 1250. I haven't dynoed this setup.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's different about this setup versus the last setup?
I have more compression, bigger cam, and running ton around.
Right on.
And bigger heads.
And obviously it's set up for like a drag racing kind of scenario. Have you taken it to the track at all?
I have. I don't have a full cage, so I just detune it. So it runs at 10.5 on pump gas.
On pump gas, detuned.
Yeah. About 400 horsepower.
Insane, man. Anything else about the truck that's kind of like unique? The color, like the color is crazy cool.
Yeah, it's an asphalt gray that I painted. So, and then I put a little bit of metallic in it. So,
I think the metallic really kind of stands out.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Yeah, the suspension's all custom, so yeah.
And you did all the work yourself? Man, great job, buddy.
Thanks, man.
So yeah, I just want to take a look at the truck, so thanks very much for telling us a little bit about it.
No worries.
It's a 1963 Nova. Bought it off an individual in Mission, BC. The car was an original California car out of Bakersfield, California.
Was it always a drag car, or?
It was mainly a drag car. I put it into a street car.
Okay. And tell us about the engine.
The engine is a 454, bored over 30. We bought new heads, had the motor completely gone through, balanced, blueprinted, new pistons, new heads, went through it from one end to the other.
And how much, do you know how much power it's making now?
At the dyno, it was 700.8 to the flywheel.
She's a ripper. And have you ever taken it to the track?
It has not been to the track, but we figure with the horsepower and the extra torque, with a good driver, would probably be in the nines, maybe the high nines.
Man, beautiful car, and I just love how like performance it is as well. So you got the best of both worlds.
We wanted to keep it as a performance car. It's a bit obnoxious, a bit rude, but that's how we like it.
I love it. Thanks so much.
You're quite welcome. Have a good day. Enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Hit you in the chest. Right?
26 Hemi. It's a clone. It's not the original car.
So the engine wasn't original to this car. Okay.
It's ridiculous. It's signed here by Jay Leno. He used to own the car at one point in time.
So did you buy it off Jay Leno or?
No, I bought it off a gentleman in Red Deer.
Okay.
Yeah, I always just thought they were cool and lost my mind and I bought one.
It's awesome. So, do you know what kind of power this one's making?
It's 12.5 to 1 compression, so it's pretty healthy. And when I bought it, it had a spool and 456 gears. So I'm trying to make it more drivable. So my buddy Todd put 354s and a Detroit locker in it, and an aluminum rad now, so it doesn't overheat as much.
Okay,
It's much more drivable.
Well, that's good. So it still has some drag racing pedigree.
Oh, for sure.
But still getting a little more streetable.
It is, yeah, because I like to drive my cars, not just look at it. And stuff.
Right, and is this a stick shift or an automatic?
Automatic
car. Right on.
Reverse manual valve.
Yeah. Well, it's a beautiful car. Just wanted to take a look at it. So thanks very much.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vic. This is my 1968 Chevrolet C10. Original 402 engine on it. It's been lowered 20s all the way around. That's mostly factory color too, seafoam green. So the truck's pretty much factory.
So that's still a 402 in it?
That's still 402, yeah.
And that's original?
Original 402.
Wow, and that's the factory color.
That's a factory.
Wow, does it look amazing. Beautiful vehicle, thanks.
Thanks so much.
I'm Steve. This is my car. It's a 1962 Pontiac Laurentian. It's got an LS3 engine, 4L60E transmission. All the chrome was taken out and black powder coated. Custom paint, custom interior. At one point in time it was all in airbags, but I got rid of that and put coilovers because it runs a lot better with coilovers than airbags.
Interesting. You got to tell us a little bit about the paint because it is insanely beautiful.
So the paint color is called Sterling Gray. My buddy who painted it put in a lot of metal flake. Because the metal flake's not part of the regular sterling.
Right.
Gray.
I think that's what gives it that pop.
I think that, and combined with the fact that the chrome's all gone, so it's all black powder coat. It gives more contrast.
Right.
So then the highlights of the chrome is just the paint.
Right. No, it's beautiful. So, and you said is it a pretty stock engine or?
No. 100% not stock engine. No. It's all rebuilt. I got a friend of mine who rebuilds engines and stuff. It's pretty close to the top of the line. You couldn't get much better
Fantastic.
out of that block.
Well, so that means it's beautiful, it's got power, and it's got like the cruising comforts as well.
I got about close to 50,000 kilometers on it.
Wow,
in
good.
8 years.
Well, it's a beautiful car. Thanks for showing it.
No problem.
I appreciate it. Have a great one.
You too.
Well, that does it for 2023 car show. It was a good show, lots of cars, some really nice ones like always. I wish people would have been a little more excited to, get on the gas a little bit at the end when they're all leaving. Let us hear some of the power. I mean, come on. But whatever, it's okay. But anyways, if you guys like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching.